In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate an iSmartAlarm alarm system into Home Assistant. It's the only way I know, and trust me, I've dedicated a lot of time and energy to this topic. I'm not exactly sure what is happening with iSmartAlarm customer service. Zach, the founder, used to be quite active on the forum, but for the last couple of years he's been less and less involved, and us the users have been left to fend for ourselves. I've had a nice smart alarm system since they launched it back in 2014, and I was even one of the beta testers, and I was very much a fan of the company. They were one of the pioneers in this field, being one of the first companies to create an internet connected, affordable home alarm system. However, something happened and they stopped innovating. I've not had a software update for a while now. No new devices appeared on the website. I thought they were going out of business. However, the products are still on sale at a lot of companies on the internet. So if I do a quick search, I can see they still have them in MediaMarkt in Spain, Outlet PC, Fnac, Sotel, and others. About a year ago, I bought a spot camera to add to my system. As I was having issues connecting to it, I had to create a customer support ticket, and they were quick to help me, to my surprise, as I wasn't expecting much from this. Even though I still like my iSmartAlarm system, I still use it to this day. If you ask me now, I am not sure I would recommend buying one of their systems. And it is not for the lack of quality. Mine is still working reliably after about 6 years, but for lack of trust about the future for them. As I mentioned earlier, they haven't updated their app and firmware for a while. The last update in Google Play is from the 18th of February 2019, and the iOS version from about the same period. Anyway, this video is more for those of you who already have an iSmartAlarm system and would like to integrate it into Home Assistant. There are requests on the forum that have been left unanswered for some time by iSmartAlarm, and even though they promised to release the API, they have never done it publicly. So at the moment, the only iSmartAlarm integration is with IFT or IFTTT, and this is what I use to control my system from Home Assistant. And here is what I did. I have my iSmartAlarm system connected to IFTTT. This is paramount. You just need to search for iSmartAlarm and connect to it in IFTTT using your iSmartAlarm credentials. Once connected, the next step is to create a new applet. You go to Account, Create, and click on If This. Search for webhooks. This is the webhooks service. Next step is choose trigger, receive a web request. We click on it and we give the event a name. For this example, I'm going to give it the name arm_iSmartAlarm. Click on create trigger, then click on then that, and we search for iSmartAlarm service. Here it is, click on it, and we have a few options. For this example, we're going to choose ARM, iSmartAlarm. So we're going to choose set system to a mode. I'm going to click on it and it's going to ask me which mode. I'm going to choose ARM. We have home and disarm and camera motion detection. But for this example, I'm going to choose ARM. Click on create action. And we can change the name to this. I can say ARM iSmartAlarm. We can choose if we want to receive notification when this applet runs or not. I'm going to disable it for now, and I'm going to click finish. In Home Assistant, make sure IFTTT is integrated and appears in the list of integrations, like here. You can see IFTTT IFTTT webhook. Then go on and create a new script. I will go to scripts. I already have it created. I'm going to search for iSmartAlarm. So here is the list of my scripts. This is the arm away. We're going to give it a name. I called it iSmartAlarm arm away. And then fill in the sequence. The action type is call service. You have various options, but this is what we're going to choose. The service is IFTTT.trigger, and in service data we put event : arm underscore iSmartAlarm, which is the name we gave earlier. If you gave it a different name, obviously you will need to give that that name to it. Well, I added a call service action to just notify me on Telegram when the iSmartAlarm is armed, but this is not necessary, and I have another script that is running. But in order to just be able to arm your iSmartAlarm using Home Assistant, this is all you need. Once you created this script, you can create similar ones for disarming, for home mode. So I have one here, it's called iSmartAlarm disarm, iSmartAlarm home mode. So that's another, I'll show you the script. So I will call the service light.turn-on. I give it an effect Twitter here, and the entity ID is the group front E-lights, so the couple of E-light bulbs that I have at the front. After 4 seconds, I call the service light.turn-off, and I turn them off. And that is all. After that, you can use the scripts in automation so that the script runs automatically when a certain event occurs. So if I go to automations and I search for iSmartAlarm, I have a switch in the house, a Nakara Mini, which I use to just switch the iSmartAlarm to home mode when I go to bed. So this is the automation. I have a couple of scripts which I call, and it just switches the iSmartAlarm to home mode. In the morning, I double click it. I have another automation that will turn the alarm off. There are quite a few possibilities here. It all depends on each one's needs. And once you have the basic arm disarm set to home, trigger siren scripts created, you can just play with it upon depending on your needs. I really hope I was able to help someone with this video, since I saw the question on the forums asked. If you know of any other way, I would really be glad to find out. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you want to see some more, you can subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching. Goodbye.